Get back here, Jack. Come celebrate with me. He's not gonna celebrate with me. I see Rose. Jack ran away. Maybe Rose will celebrate with me. Look at Rose. Just nestled under this nice tree in her nice little home. Oh no. Come celebrate with me, Rose. Nobody wants to celebrate with me. Guys, 500,000. Thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, I just want to say thank you. A really heartfelt thank you, guys. Wow. 500,000, you know, just actually I was just thinking a couple of years ago, maybe 3-4 years ago, I was sitting right over there in my car opening my 100,000 subscriber plaque, you know, that YouTube sends out. When you hit 100,000 you get that silver plaque, I guess, saying that you've reached that milestone. So yeah, that was a few years ago. I was sitting there. Now I have 500,000 subscribers, you know. What a moment. So just want to say thank you so much. I was kind of thinking about what kind of special video I could make, or, you know, some fun idea. I couldn't really think of anything. You know, these days I'm pretty busy with many things. I'm trying to do many things in life. So my mind is a little bit, I'm a bit scatterbrained, put it that way. And it's been a stressful couple years for me, the past. Oh hey guys, another one. Look at that. Jack just vegging out. Oh, I bothered him. Look at that nice spot. He was just vegging right here, guys. To veg out means you're just like, you know, you're just kind of relaxing. You're not doing anything. Do you like to veg out? I love vegging out. Hopefully one of these years I can veg out. See another form of Jack. See, Jack comes in many different forms, guys. Many different manifestations. First he was over there, then he was over there vegging out. Now he's manifested over here. Hi, Jack. Oh, I bothered him from his veg out spot. So guys, yeah, these days I'm a bit stressed out. I've been stress eating. Have you ever done stress eating? That's why I'm pretty fat these days. But I'm probably not the only one. Have you ever done stress eating? That's when you're stressed out and you turn to food to just, you don't really know how to cope with the stress, so you turn to food and you just start eating bad food that you know is healthy, you know is unhealthy, but you just have to do it. You need some comfort, right? Sometimes people have like a certain kind of food that they call their comfort food. What is your comfort food? Some people, you know, have chocolate as their comfort food, or I don't know, cookies, or maybe they turn to the bottle. I've done that a number of times in my life. Turn to the bottle means you cope with stress by drinking adult beverages. You know what adult beverages are, right? Beverage is another word for drink. An adult drink is drinks that children are not supposed to consume, right? So I've turned to the bottle a few times in my life. I've turned to stress eating a few times in my life. Now is one of those times when I've been doing quite a bit of stress eating. So I got a nice gut, like pretty big belly here. But I'm hoping next year I can simplify my life quite a bit, and I hope to make videos every day I love that, you know, get into a routine where I can make videos every day and exercise and yeah, just have a more simple life. I'm really hoping, you've probably noticed that in the past few months, pretty much maybe this whole last year, I haven't been making as many videos, and the reason is because I've just been doing many other things in life, and you know, you can only take so much in life, and then you know, your brain can only handle so much, and your body. So hopefully next year I'll stop my stress eating, and I'll make videos regularly, do some exercising every day. You know, it's so nice to have a routine. What's your routine? Do you have a good routine? I want to build a really good routine, because, you know, in routine you find rest. You know, a lot of people think if you just veg out, that's where you get rest. You know, you just need to relax, and yeah, it's good to veg out every now and then, but really, if you want deep rest, you need a good routine of exercise, healthy eating. You know, you need to have some of your stress gone, right? If you're under a lot of stress for a long time, a person gets sick, right? A person turns to stress eating, they turn to the bottle, all these things. But I love eating sweets. That's my I don't know, that's my Achilles heel, I guess, is if I eat, I don't know, like when I start eating sweets, I just can't stop. There's an Indian sweet shop not far from here that I buy some sweets sometimes, and then there's a Middle Eastern shawarma shop, and I eat some baklava. Maybe I'll go buy some baklava today. But yeah, guys, what do you love to eat for your stress eating? Let me know down in the comments. But you know, I just wanted to say thank you so much. So just a simple video. Remember a few years ago I came and I made a video here at this park. I think it might have been winter. Was it winter that time? Can't remember. Man, many years, guys, and my life has changed a lot, but I want to say thank you for your consistency. Thank you for being such great supporters. I really feel blessed to have such wonderful supporters in life. So I just want to say a very, just a heartfelt thank you. And what else can I say, guys? Well, just walking along this path here, normal path I've walked on many times. So it's not a super exciting video, but I'll try to think of some more fun videos for the future. And yeah, so hopefully next year I can make a lot of videos, get into a really good routine. But the rest of this year is going to be stressful for me, you know. So I'm not out of the woods yet. If you're out of the woods, that means you can relax and you're through your problems, for example. But yeah, but right now I'm still in the woods, guys. Anyway, let me know what's going on in your life. How have things changed in your life since you've been my subscriber, especially for my long-term subscribers, way back to the very beginning? Thank you guys so much for your support, and I'm sure your lives have changed a lot. I'm sure you've gone through really stressful times, you know. Maybe you're in a midlife crisis right now. Hey, I understand. My heart goes out to you. Sometimes it just helps. It's kind of nice in life to have someone who just understands, right? So I would say I'm in a bit of a midlife crisis myself. A midlife crisis is when you're in the middle of your life. Maybe you're in your kind of late 30s, early 40s, and you just don't really know what to, you feel a bit lost, you know. And a midlife crisis is when you're just kind of, maybe you're depressed, maybe you're going through some pretty big changes in life. Maybe you lost your job, or maybe you're switching careers, and you just, you know, maybe you're on your second marriage or third marriage by now, and maybe you just feel depressed. you don't really, you're getting a bit fat, you know, maybe you're stress eating and you're in a bit of a midlife crisis. That's what that means. So maybe I'm in a bit of a midlife crisis here, guys. So if you are in a midlife crisis, I understand. So hang in there, one step at a time. You know, just keep putting one foot in front of the other, and we'll be okay together, right? Let's just stick it out here. And so it's a beautiful day. Spring has sprung in Calgary. It's almost May. Making this video right at the end of April 2023, and you can see all the snow has finally melted, and it's nice weather out here. Look at that nice black bird on the top of that tree singing celebration for 500,000 subscribers, guys. There's our special moment, singing for us. Isn't that nice? There he goes. Let's see if we can find. Oh, he's running away. Come on, come over here. Oh, he's playing a game with me. He's running around the tree. I'll switch up and go the other way. Come on. Where is he? All right, guys. I chased him away. But yeah, nice weather. You know, I'm very thankful for the warm weather. Finally, it was very cold. I don't know, all these years are running together for me. It's hard to remember what last winter was like or what the winter before that was like. All the winters are cold, all the winters are depressing here in Canada. So, but it's nice, finally, nice blue sky, you know, nice wispy clouds. Wispy, I don't know if these clouds are just, or wispy. Wispy means kind of like, you know, kind of look like a horse tail in the sky. These aren't really maybe super, those ones up there are a bit wispy. It's a good word used to describe clouds. Wispy clouds. So guys, just a simple video to say, can't speak now. It's just a simple video where I want to say thank you so much. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. You know, let's see how many subscribers we can get. How many do you think? Oh, another bird. Come on here, Mr. Blackbird. I don't know if that's a blackbird, but it's actually a black bird. A blackbird is the name of a bird, but that bird right there running around this tree is black, although it's kind of, his feathers have kind of a greenish tint in the sunlight. Are these running birds? They don't fly, they just run around. Look at that. He's playing a game with me. Where is he? Oh, there he is. These birds, I don't know if you can see on his feathers from in the camera, but his feathers have like a greenish like a shine to them. They're beautiful, beautiful birds. I don't know what kind of birds those are, but anyway. So how many do you think we can get? How many subscribers, guys? I think if I start making videos more regularly, going live more next year, I think we could hit 1 million at some point. I don't know, I might be 50 by then, 60. Maybe I'll be dead. Maybe I'll be pushing up daisies. If you're pushing up daisies, that means you're underground. You're making the flowers. Like daisies are a kind of flower, right? Pushing up daisies. So anyway, guys, what's your prediction? But in the meantime, thank you again. Hope you're having a great day. As always, I love you guys so much, and I just appreciate you so much. Thank you for all of you who always smash like, leave nice comments, and just everything, and following on Instagram. I haven't been posting as many jokes there, but I'll try to post some stuff there too. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's madenglishtv. So anyway, love you so much, and as always, I'll see you guys over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.